So here, whatever the speakers told, we are going to give a live demo of the test kit. So basically, these are all things we need for the testing of the device. So this is just for sample collection. You can take the nasopharyngeal swab or throat swab we can take, and this is for corona. So we have to inactivate the virus after taking the sample. So for that we have to use this buffer so that the virus gets inactivated over here and the RNA is extracted. So then we have to test the sample. Just we take a little bit of sample and put it on top of the device. So this is our sensor device. There are different designs of sensor. So based on that, the multiple diseases can be checked. For example, corona, we used 3 or 4 type of markers. So for that, 4 sensors are here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4. Like that, we have different designs, and this can be used for different diseases. Maybe for cancer, we can use different marker panel. So based on that, we can use the number of devices, whatever the needed be. So here, for the sensor testing, we need a Android application, and that application can be installed in the mobile. And these are the patient registration steps, so that for each patient one unique ID gets created, and with that ID we can test the device. So already we have enrolled the unique ID for this device, and that with that unique ID we will show the test results. So here the registration process, we can go for the registration, and then it will ask for the app will ask for the personal information like DOB and all other things. We can enter and unique ID get created, and then we can go for the preload of the sample. This is needed for the testing setup, and then we can go for the test of the sample. So here chip number is identified with this number. That number I am going to put. So this number we can give any number to the chip, and unique ID is generated for the patient. Then we will paste, and here you can go for the next. So after putting the droplets, we have to wait for certain time, and after that we can go for the testing. So once you press the test, it should show the result.